nag-chat. Available karon? Busy ka? Research na to ba? Ka nag-chat, uy.
So, Harvey, I believe that your friends have always been asking, what do you do every weekend here at Marahan?
Yeah, that's true, my friend. But let's just show them what we do in this Marahan.
Okay, so, well, if you're curious, saba kayong manok. But, anyway, well, that's a part of our work. We also do livestock, but mostly we do
Farming.
Farming,
Yeah.
yes.
Before we do the farming, we will pick land and we will clean it.
Yes. So, if you clean like this, like that, there's some tons of big landscapes over there.
Yeah.
It's better to just show you. And yeah, we do this kuan cleaning. Yeah.
We do gabas.
We do gabas as well.
Hagbas.
Anyway, we mostly do land cultivating.
Yeah.
We use certain tools, bara. Do you know bara?
Yeah.
Basta bara. Yeah, we use it to cultivate the land. We do farming. Well, one of the most favorite things that I've been planting is my carrots, and surprisingly, it has not been 2 months, but they've already started growing, and I'm very excited about it.
Adlay rice. Oh.
Well, not only that,
For me,
not only that,
Chakwan na.
Marahan, not only that,
Not only that, for me, the plant that I have plant in the video is Adlay rice. As you can see, I plant the plant.
I plant the adlay. Bisakol, I plant the adlay.
Look, listen.
Listen, look. Now, Filipinos, this is my side.
The main thing that we do in Marahan is not only for farming or land cultivation, but Bible study.
Yeah, we believe that coming here to Marahan is not only for
physical,
vacations, but also for trainings. And we believe that training does not only include physical, but also spiritual.
Yeah. So as you can see in the video, those are the things that I do in Marahan. Firstly, farming or land cultivating. Second is the Bible study. That's all for the video. Perfect day, everyone.
Perfect day.
Perfect day.
Harvey, nobody knows what I see. Nobody knows I'm waiting for you.